guys, we got a 2008 Nissan Tiida here that you can see obviously what's going on here. It's just hunting big time at idle, well obviously in park, but as soon as you put it in drive, it goes back to relatively normal but still a little bit high. So let's look into it and see what we can find. First thing we'll do is a code scan and see if anything comes up. Alright guys, it's late at night here. We just threw the smoke machine on it just to see if there was any leaks, because it certainly sounded like it, but definitely no leaks. So we put it back together. We jumped on the scanner and we checked if there was any special functions we could do, like an idle relearn or something like that. It's pretty common on Nissans. We did try that with our G-scan on the road, but it didn't work out. So we just connected up our launch pad and I'll show you what we did, and it rectified the problem. So the first thing we did is we went into the main menu and went into special functions. We found the idle air volume learn procedure. Obviously we read through this to make sure we were in the right parameters, otherwise it wasn't going to achieve anything if we did do it, or it might not even work at all. So we just read through that, make sure that was right. Went to the next screen, showed us the parameters just to confirm, and we just pressed start, and then we waited for a little bit. Obviously when we're at this part we don't really know how long it's going to take. It says up to 5 minutes, but it could be much less, but this ended up going very quickly, and it didn't take very long to actually get to the next complete stage. So we're in the car now and the relearn is done, and let's start it up and see how it looks now. This is pretty common on Nissans, so if you've got a Nissan that's surging at idle, definitely jump on your scan tool and see if there's an idle relearn function. I know there's some scan tools that don't actually do it, so if you jump on yours and it doesn't have it, before you do anything else, just see if you can access another scan tool and try an idle relearn, just to rule that out. But you know, we did initially think there was a vacuum leak, but we did smoke test it, and we did block off the purge valve because of the purge valve code, but that made no difference. So obviously there's nothing wrong with the purge valve at all. It might just have been a result of what was happening with the car. So we cleared that code. We're just going to go for another drive and make sure it's all alright, but if all passes, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.